So we've got a good layout here. Let's walk back to the dining room and into the kitchen. Kitchen is going to be have a total removal, gut job, and redesign. It's kind of a galley kitchen, and as you can see, we've got some options here. What our ideas are is we're going to open up this wall here that we see in front of us and bring it over to approximately somewhere in this area where the cabinets are. So this wall is going to be opened up where we can have a wider walkway here. We'll probably put our refrigerator in the corner. It sticks out about 28 inches. We'll have our countertop. The sink stays in the same spot. Dishwasher stays in the same spot. As we turn over here, this is where the stove was. We were going to make this a stand-up pantry for extra storage. Panning back around, looking back to the kitchen, this doorway now will be opened up. We're going to put a bank of cabinets and the stove on this wall here with upper cabinets, microwave vents that is more functionable. So this, although the walkway looks a little narrow at this time, we feel that based on the area kitchens, this is a common kitchen in Prairie Village, and with this extra base, it'll be okay. We're going to put granite countertops. I think we're going to get something like a cherry cabinet work, maybe a black sink, stainless steel appliances. The other option is we're looking into putting hardwood floors in the kitchen versus ceramic tile. That's yet to be determined. Depends on how everything else is going to flow here.